good, YouTube? It's Elon. I'm back again with another video. And today for you guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys my morning method. This is my morning method that I do every morning when I wake up. This is a good morning method for anybody that has to go to work or school, or like you're going out with your friends or whatever, and you wanna, add shine and moisture to your hair before you go out. So when you go out, you can take off your do-rag and your waves can shine, and it can pop from a long distance away so people can see your waves. Let's get into the video. This is how my waves is looking right now, you guys. When it comes to morning method, what I like to do is get a medium and soft section in. And what I also like to do is apply an oil. Whatever oil you have is good. A moisturizing oil, a sealing oil, whatever oil you have is good. You just want to apply an oil so you can moisturize. So you can moisturize and hydrate your hair, and also to add some shine. What I'll be using today is the Legendary Oil by PB. I'm gonna show you guys how I like to apply this oil, and then I'm gonna get a nice session. Stay tuned. guys, that is the end of the morning method. Basically what you want to do is just get a medium session in and then add your oil, whatever light oil you have, whatever moisturizing or sealing oil you add that, moisturize and add shine to your hair. You want to put that in, and then you want to get a nice soft session in to distribute the oils evenly, and then plastic bag and rag up. I hope you guys like this method, and if you did, leave a like, comment and subscribe, and as always, you guys stay wavy. Until next time.